Welcome to another deep dive, and today we're diving into a future where humans and AI work together, not as, rivals, but partners.
Yeah.
Human-AI swarm integration. It might sound like sci-fi,
It does. It really does.
but it's becoming very real, very quickly.
It's fascinating because it's not, the classic robots taking over.
Right.
This is about humans and AI, merging, creating something better than either one could alone.
Okay, so it's not replacing us. It's working with us.
Yeah. A symbiotic relationship. Both sides benefit, you know?
Yeah. I like that. I
Yeah,
like
yeah.
that. So paint me a picture then. What does this AI swarm actually, what does it look like?
Okay. Imagine a team of these specialized AI agents.
Okay.
Each one's amazing at a specific thing, working together seamlessly.
Uh-huh.
Some are data experts, others are creative, and some are amazing at connecting different systems.
Okay.
Then you add humans to that mix.
So we're not just watching, we're in the game, we're playing.
Oh, absolutely. We bring what AI, at least for now, can't. Creativity, emotional intelligence, strategic thinking,
Yeah.
that big picture thinking.
So we guide it.
Exactly. We set the goals, the context, and we make sure it all fits with our human values.
Okay, that makes a lot of sense. So we've got the human side.
Yeah.
What about AI's superpowers? What does AI bring to the table here?
AI brings speed, efficiency, and the ability to process data, tons of data, without bias.
Oh, wow.
Think about it. AI could analyze millions of medical records in seconds.
Right.
To find a pandemic, maybe, before it starts.
Yeah.
Or it could tailor, education programs based on how each student learns best.
That's pretty wild.
Yeah.
So it's like this tool that helps us find solutions that we might not see on our own.
Exactly.
But how does all this play out in real life? Can you give me an example?
Sure. Okay. So say you have a killer idea, like a new app or a business strategy.
Okay.
AI could take that idea and instantly handle the technical stuff.
Oh, wow.
Building the code, launching it on different platforms, even marketing it to the right people, all seamlessly through what are called API connections.
Okay, so hold on. It sounds like having a super-powered assistant, but you said APIs. My brain kind of went fuzzy there. What are those, and how do they make it all, work so smoothly?
Okay, so APIs are like digital bridges. They connect different systems.
Okay.
Like when you use an app to get a ride, that app uses an API to talk to a mapping service.
Yeah.
To find where you are and get you a driver. It all happens in the background because of these API connections. And AI can handle all that, all those connections like it's nothing.
Okay, so AI is the conductor of the orchestra, making sure it all works together.
That's a great way to put it, but it goes even deeper than just giving AI tasks. Remember the feedback loop.
Yeah.
That's where the magic really happens. It's not just a one-way street. Humans give feedback, refining, making little tweaks based on how things are actually working. So both sides are learning.
It's a dance, a dynamic dance. Both partners learning and adapting in real time.
So it's like a conversation, a constant conversation.
That's it.
Okay, I'm with you. But how does the AI learn from that feedback? Does it suddenly become self-aware?
Not quite, although wouldn't that be something?
Yeah.
But it's more technical than that. It's called machine learning. Algorithms that change based on the data they get.
So it's constantly evolving.
Exactly. Getting better based on what we teach it.
Okay. I'm starting to see the potential here. It seems like this partnership, this could lead to some pretty amazing stuff.
Absolutely.
I'm very intrigued. Tell me more.
Okay, well, it's not just theoretical, it's already happening.
That's true. It feels like we're stepping into the future every day. So where are we already seeing this team in action, this AI human team?
Well, let's start with healthcare.
Okay.
Imagine AI that can analyze medical images super accurately, helping doctors catch diseases earlier, before they become a problem.
So AI is like a diagnostic tool, but it's not replacing the doctor.
Right. Exactly. Human doctors are still totally crucial.
Oh, right.
Interpreting what the AI finds, making treatment decisions, and most importantly, giving that human connection that patients need, that empathy.
That makes sense.
Yeah.
So AI handles the data, the heavy lifting, and the doctors can focus on the patient.
That's the idea. And it's not just diagnostics. We have AI-powered robots assisting surgeons
Yeah.
in really complex surgeries, doing it more precisely, less invasive than ever before.
Whoa, robot surgeons. That's wild.
It is pretty sci-fi, right?
Yeah.
But it's becoming, more and more normal in operating rooms all over the world. And remember, they're not operating on their own. These are tools guided by human surgeons, extending their abilities, making things possible that weren't before.
That's amazing.
Yeah.
I'm seeing now how this partnership could really improve healthcare.
Yeah.
What about other fields? What other places are we seeing this make a difference?
Okay, how about finance? AI is changing how we manage money, how we invest, even how we spot fraud.
No, that's something I can get behind. I'm always, worried about those fraudulent charges.
Well, AI algorithms they're getting really good at seeing suspicious stuff and flagging it, before it becomes a problem.
So it's like a security guard for your bank account.
Exactly. And with investments, AI can analyze market trends, find opportunities that humans might miss.
So it's like having a super smart financial advisor.
Yeah, kind of.
That sounds amazing. But I got to ask, what about ethics? With AI handling our money, I mean, that's a little scary, right?
Of course. And while AI can offer insights and automate things, human judgment, that's still essential in finance. Investors need to consider things beyond the numbers.
Like what?
Ethics, long-term impact, things that need human insight.
So it's not about blindly following the AI. It's more like using it to help us make smarter decisions.
Exactly. That balance, that's the key. AI and human expertise. That's how we get the best results. Are there other industries where we're seeing this dynamic?
Oh, I'm sure there are.
Well, in manufacturing, for instance, we have robots and humans working together, building stuff with more speed and precision than ever before.
That's a long way from those old images of robots taking over the factories.
Right. It is. These new robots, they're designed to work with us, not replace us.
Okay.
They do the repetitive stuff, the heavy lifting, and humans. We focus on the more complex stuff, the stuff that needs creativity.
So it's a more efficient and harmonious workplace.
That's the goal.
I'm seeing a pattern. It's not AI versus humans. It's AI with humans.
Yes, you got it.
And that's the key to making this tech work.
I think so, yeah. And it's even happening in, creative fields.
Wait, AI being creative? I thought that was the one thing that was, uniquely human.
You would think, right?
Yeah.
But turns out AI can be creative in its own way. Algorithms are writing music, poetry, even creating art.
Wow. I can't even imagine that.
It's wild.
Is AI going to replace artists then?
Not really. It's more like a new tool for artists, to expand what's possible. Imagine a musician using AI to come up with new melodies, or a painter exploring new colors with AI's help.
It's like a creative partner, pushing each other to new heights.
Yeah, something like that.
This is incredible. It feels like there's no limit to what we can do together.
That's the beauty of it. It's always evolving. And the possibilities, they're endless.
Okay, I'm totally on board with this whole human AI thing. It's way, way cooler than I thought. But with any new tech, I know there are concerns,
right?
Risks.
Yeah.
What do we need to be aware of as we move into this new world, this future?
That's a great question, and it's important to talk about those concerns, as we become more interconnected with AI.
Oh, what do you mean by interconnected?
Well, the lines are blurring between, the physical and the digital. AI is becoming part of our daily lives more and more every day.
Okay, I'm getting a little Black Mirror vibe here. Should I be scared?
No, not at all. Any powerful tool, AI can be used for good or bad,
Right.
The key is to be intentional, making sure we use it to enhance our lives, not control them.
So it's about us shaping how it integrates into the world.
Exactly. And that shaping, that means thinking deeply about the relationship between us and AI, how it affects society, and what it even means to be human, in this age of technology.
Wow. Those are big questions.
They are. They really are.
And important ones to think about.
Absolutely. And that's what we're going to explore in the last part of this deep dive. We'll look at the exciting possibilities that lie ahead, as we navigate this uncharted territory. Human AI integration.
All right, welcome back. I'm ready for those exciting possibilities. As we wrap up our deep dive into human AI swarm integration, where do we go from here? What's the future look like?
Well, the future it's bright. It really is. Lots of opportunities. And as AI keeps keeps getting better, we're going to see some amazing things, coming out of this partnership, this human AI partnership.
Give me a sneak peek. What specific areas could we see this take off, this collaboration?
Okay, how about personalized learning? Imagine every student gets an education that's just for them, tailored to their needs, their strengths. AI can make that happen. Analyzing student data, finding those gaps in knowledge.
Wow.
And then suggesting personalized learning paths.
So it's like every student has their own like personal tutor.
Yeah, in a way, helping them reach their full potential. And this kind of thing, this personalized approach, that could go way beyond education.
Oh, like where?
Healthcare, for instance. AI could help us create like personalized treatment plans based on, your genes, your lifestyle, your medical history.
So it's not one size fits all healthcare anymore.
It's tailored to you.
Yeah.
Specifically, it could completely change how we prevent and treat diseases.
That's amazing.
And it goes further. This human AI collaboration, it could help us with the big problems like climate change.
Wow, yeah.
AI could analyze all that data, the environmental data, find patterns, trends,
right,
and help us come up with better strategies for conservation, for sustainability.
So like a superpowered environmental consultant.
Exactly. But we got to be careful, right? I mean, it's easy to get caught up in all the good stuff and forget about the potential downsides.
That's true. What are some of the risks or challenges with all this AI integration?
Well, one of the big ones is making sure AI is developed ethically.
Yeah.
Responsibly.
Okay, yeah. We want to make sure it's a force for good, right? Not creating more problems.
Exactly. So how do we do that?
Yeah, how?
Well, it starts with guidelines, clear principles for how we develop AI, how we use it.
Okay.
We need to think about fairness, transparency, accountability, privacy, and we need to get everyone involved in the conversation.
To make sure everyone's voice is heard.
Yeah. Because it's not just about the technology itself, it's about the human values, the values that guide it.
You know what? This has been an incredible deep dive. I'm walking away feeling really optimistic about the future. This partnership, this could really change the world for the better.
I agree. It's an exciting time, and I can't wait to see what we create together, humans and AI.
Yeah.
Combining our ingenuity with the power of AI.
That's a great way to put it. Well, thanks for joining us, deep divers. And remember, the future, it's not something that just happens. It's something we create together. So let's go build a future where humans and AI work side by side to make the world a better place for everyone.